Hello students, today we are going to see the third chapter, the long sum, which comes in board exam for 5 marks in statistics. 12th standard, subject statistics, third chapter, regression. Now the first one, here I have taken first XY method, to which I have given the name XY method, and I selected the sum exercise 3.1 sub question 2. So the illustrations must be there with you, but how to solve the sum of the exercise, that we are going to see. And another new point, and that is E means error is equal to small y minus y cap. It may come in exam that find out which are the chances of finding out the error in this sum. So when you read any sum of the third chapter, you will find that the regression line y on x, this would be the common sentence. So you can take the decision that I am in the third chapter. So let's solve the sum, students. Find the regression line y on x where x is equal to 5 years. So when x is given, students, so what I have to find out? Y variable. So here I am going to have these two columns which I have copied from the question. X and y. 3, 1, 2, 5, 3. Same way y variable 10, 5, 8, 7 and 8. So here this will be the space I am going to leave in my notebook. The first step is find out x bar and find out y bar. So what is x bar? X bar is equal to summation of x upon n. The summation of x क्या है हमारा? That is 16 divided by 6. तो n ये 6 कहाँ से आया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here n would be number of items, that is 6. The answer would be 2.67. Same way we will find out y variable is equal to summation of y upon n. The summation of y, that means the summation of the second column y variable, and that is 51 upon 6. The answer will be 8.5. So see here, students, I will take the judgment that the answers of x bar and y bar both are in decimal points, and which I have taught you in the second chapter, that whenever you are coming across the point decimal point of x bar or y bar, both or any one, you have to go for which method? XY method. If you are in second chapter correlation, then also it is like this, and if you are in third chapter, then also it is like this. So here B is equal to the formula I have selected, XY formula, and sigma XY minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. So looking to the formula, I am going to make the columns where I need x and y and I need x square. So you can see here, students, I have made this xy column and x square column. So xy means 10 into 3, 30, 5 1s are 5, 8 2s are 16, 13 5s are 65, 8 3s are 24. So here xy, at the same time I am going to do the total. So the total would be 154. Same way x square, the first column का square find करेंगे. 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 3 square 9. So the total would be sigma x square is equal to 52. So here, students, I am going to substitute the values. So n is equal to 6 into sigma xy 154. You can see the third column, minus sigma x into sigma y. That means sigma x के सामने क्या है, students? 60 and sigma y के सामने क्या है? 51. So 16 into 51. So upon n means 6 into sigma x square. So sigma x square यानी last columns का summation है, that is 52. So here 52 minus sigma x whole square. Be careful. So sigma x यानी 16 का whole square. So this would be 256. Now by solving this, 154 into 6, 924 minus 16 into 51, that is 816 upon 52 into 6, 312 minus 16 square means 256. When I sort it out, I'll get the answer 108/15.4 and the final answer would be 1.93. This is the answer of B. Now I am going to find out what is A. You know that regressions chapter is divided into three parts. First B, A and Y. Y cap. So A is equal to y bar minus B x bar. This you have to remember. You have to write in your notebook. Y bar is equal to here 8.5 substituted minus B's answer from here 1.93 into x bar, and x bar from that is x bar's answer 2.67. So here 2.67. So 8.5 minus multiply this both 5.15. So answer would be 3.35. Third phase of this, that is y cap is equal to a plus b x. So what is the answer? Y cap is equal to a plus b x. So A's answer would be, what is the answer of A? 3.35 plus B's answer 1.93 and x is equal to what? And that is written in the question, student. X is equal to 5. So this is my 5. I will substitute. Multiplication would be 9.65. So 3.35 plus 9.65, answer would be 13. Is it clear? So now very important point is, it may come as cornering question or maybe in the MCQ, that is what is the error in this sum. The chances of the error E is equal to, that is a mu for you, please note down, y minus y cap. So what is your y? So y जो है हमारा, and that is answer of y. तो y कहाँ से लेंगे हम? तो यहाँ से आपको ये 13 कहाँ से आया? I'm going to make it time being as it is. But then ये y cap, तो y cap कहाँ से आया आपका? You get this 13. So जब y cap 13 है, so what is y? For that purpose, you have to think what is asked to you in the question. So x is equal to 5. So come to the original table, students. When x is equal to 5, what is the answer of y? And that is 13. So dear students, ये 13 would come like this. मैंने square में यहाँ पे कर दिया है. You can see that. So this 13 I am going to substitute over here. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 13 from the original table. And y cap, that is from this working 13. What is the chances of the error E? E is equal to 0. Is it clear? So here students, exercise 3.1 and as well as 3.2, any sum you can solve by XY method, provided the numbers should be small within 1 to 20, so it would be very much easier for you to solve as homework. Do practice. These are very important method. Is it clear? Another sum that is called as UV method, which is very important. Generally, this UV method is used to minimize the values and it is known as shortcut method. So here I have taken this sum from the exercise 3.2 question number 5, where I have taken care that in one column you will find the simple numbers, integers are there, but in the y column you will find the decimal points. So I can teach you in a variation how to solve the sum. Let's see. In the question, find out the regression line y on x when x is equal to 8 number of customers. Then find out the y, what will be the sales in that. So there are two columns here, x and y. So I have copied these two columns, 50, 70, 100, 70, 150, 120, 2.0, 2.0, 1.4, 4 and 2.5. So decimal points and integers, the mix sum with UV method, very important. The same method over here, I am going to find out in the first tab is leaving this much space in my notebook. X bar. X bar is equal to summation of x upon n. So what is summation of x? 560 divided by 6. The answer will be 93.33. How to find out y bar? Summation of y upon n. Next step. So summation of y, this column would be 14.4 divided by 6. Answer is equal to 2.4. So here students, I have found that there are so many big sums, 20 से ज़्यादा हैं पूरी टेबल के अंदर. plus I am getting the answer in decimal points. So students, I would like to go for UV method where the special is the pillar. I can say this is pillar. So what is this pillar? The pillar is of is B is equal to n sigma UV minus sigma U into sigma V upon n sigma U square minus sigma U's whole square into Cy upon Cx. That is, I can say the pillar method. And how it is, let's see that. First of all, x is going to convert it into u as per my second chapter, and y is going to convert it into v. Understood that? So u is equal to x minus a upon cx as per the second method. यहाँ पर भी same method है students. And v is equal to y minus b upon cy. So here students, my method is I want to avoid the minus sign. So for that purpose, what is my method? So I am going to select as a the smallest figure in the column of x. And what is that? 50. So here a की जगह पर मैडम लिख देंगे 50. And what is this cx? तो cx जो है मेरा, that is common denominator. So वो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? I can see that 10. These all the figures can be divided by 10. So here I am going to write 10. So students, let's do the working. 50 minus 50, 0 by 10, answer is 0. 70 minus 50, 20 by 10, answer is 2. 100 minus 50, 50 divided by 10, answer is 5. 70 minus 50, 20 divided by 10, yani 2. 150 minus 50, 100 divided by 10, yani 10. 120 minus 50, 70 divided by 10, answer will be 7. So get the total of sigma u, and that is 26. Same procedure I am going to do, that is with v variable, v method, y minus b. But dear students, let's find out the smallest figure. So which is the smallest figure in this column? And that is 1.4. So here I have written at the place of b, यहाँ ऊपर लिख देंगे 1.4. So what is this cy? So students, if you are getting confused, that you can take 1, बराबर आप 1 ले सकते हो अगर आपको पता चलता नहीं है. But here I have taken 0.1. जैसे यहाँ पे 10 लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे decimal point है. So madam has taken for variation purpose that answer can come when I take 0.1 to make the columns in integers. Understood? So here y minus b. तो b की जगह पर 1.4 है. 2 minus 1.4 divided by 0.1, answer will be 6. 2.5 minus 1.4 divided by 0.1, answer will be 11. 4 minus 1.4 divided by 0.1, answer will be 26. 2.5 minus 1.5 जो भी 1.4 जो भी आंसर आएगा divided by 0.1, answer would be 11. Then after, as usual, u square and uv. So u square, 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 10 square 100, 7 square 49. And here uv multiplication, 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12, 11 fives are 55, 2 into 0 0, 26 into 10 260, 11 into 7 77. So when I do the summation, the answer of both the columns, sigma u square 182 and sigma uv 404. So I am going to substitute all these figures into the formula as per the demanded. So n is equal to 6 into uv, from here uv 404 students, minus sigma u. तो sigma u कहाँ से मिलेगा? ये रहा 26. This is sigma v, from here only 60. Okay. Divided by n sigma u square. तो n यानी 6 into sigma u square, यानी ये वाली second last column जो है हमारी students, वो that is 182. So here I have written 182 minus sigma u's whole square. तो sigma u 26 है, उसका whole square आपको करना है. So 26 का whole square into the pillar. What is this pillar? The cy upon cx. Always remember students, in the third chapter, cy by cx is very must. If you are taking cy and cx as any number, ले रहे हो तो compulsory लिखना ही है. Understood that? But it is not applicable in the second chapter. So cy upon cx. So cy जो है हमारा, and that is I have selected, you can see 0.1, and upon cx, and that is 10. This I have written students. Now the maths will work. 404 into 6, Answer would be 2424 minus sigma u into sigma v 26 into 60 1560 upon 182 into 6 1092 minus 26 into 26 676 into 0.01 by 1. तो ये मैंने डिवीजन कर दिया यहाँ से, so it will be in numerator only 0.01. Now what will I do? The subtraction 864, इसमें से ये गया 676 416 into 0.01. Again 864 into 0.01, answer would be 8.64 upon 416. So when I do this, answer will be 0.02. This is the answer of B. Now the third phase, as you know students, A is equal to y bar minus B x bar. So what is the answer of y bar? 2.4 minus what is B? The 0.02. And what is x bar students? The x bar answer would be 93.33. So here is the answer. So multiplication of this 0.02 into 93.33, the answer would be 1.86. So 2.4 minus 1.86, answer will be 0.54. So y cap is equal to A plus B x. So A's answer 0.54 plus B's answer 0.02. And what is the answer of x? The answer of x would be, must be written in the question, and that is 80 numbers or 80 customers. So this is my 80. Multiplication first करेंगे हम. So answer will be 1.6 plus 0.54. So what is the answer? 2.40. So जो y पूछा गया है, that is the sales in terms of 1000 rupees. जैसा क्वेश्चन में प्रिंट किया है आपको वही लिखना है, and that is 1000 rupees. So here students, you can solve any sum of the exercise 3.1, 3.2 as well as 3.3 by XY method, which I have taught you, and the shortcut method named as UV method. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.